So if we're just taking a little look at Verasity, then you can see obviously we've had a little bit of a fall today on the charts here on the daily time frame. You can see pretty much what's happened is we've come down, we've back tested that support, and then as we've come back to the upside here, you can see we've retested this area of resistance quite cleanly, as you can see. But obviously with Bitcoin having a little bit of a rollover today, if we take a quick look at the Bitcoin chart, you can see Bitcoin having a little bit of a rollover to the downside here after that big potential burst up to around 49k there. We did get that roll to the downside, as you can see, and basically come back down into this area of structure again. You can see Verasity has done pretty much the same thing with that big potential news ETF rejection bomb to the downside. We came down, back test, we come back up to retest this previous area here and got rejected. You can see we come back down on the hourly time frame to that 100 moving average. But right now Verasity just really looking like it's just working the fib level still, looking quite boring and disinteresting. Everyone's lost interest in it by now, thinking that it's never going to pump. And overall on the macro, still looking really solid in my opinion, and we are getting close now to that bull market in April. With the halving very close now, I am feeling very confident that we're going to see some nice price movements for basically everything, to be honest. We're almost there now. It's very exciting. But right now, just consolidating on the hourly time frame, you can see really not much has changed since we broke out that resistance. We've just come up and been working in between these two Fibonacci levels for a good while here. But overall, still feeling confident for the long term. We're going to see some nice price action indeed. And overall, really not that much to be concerned about. Not that much going on today. Very clear here on the charts that we are essentially just working these two Fibonacci levels. Now that we've come down, we've formed this, I would say bear market low that is confirmed in my opinion down here. You can see we've just been working these fib levels, and in my opinion, once we start seeing more upside for altcoins in general going into the halving, we're going to see Verasity coming up, breaking this 1 cent level, and then starting to get up through some of these levels pretty damn soon. We're already at the bear market resistance, and really since then we've just consolidated and been consolidating. The breakout, we come down into this area of structure again, we break to the upside, we're back testing again, really just consolidating and looking like we're waiting for that next move to the upside in my opinion, going into this bull market zone.